Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into web development. In today's video, we're going to explore one of the fundamental elements of HTML, the image tag. So let's get started. Before we delve into the details, let's have a quick overview of what the image tag is and why it's so important in web development. The image tag, also known as the IMG tag, is an HTML element used to display images on a web page. Images are an integral part of modern websites, as they enhance the user experience, convey information, and make content visually appealing. Now, let's take a look at the structure of the image tag. It has a simple syntax. The src attribute specifies the source or path of the image file. This can be a relative or absolute URL, or even a data array. The alt attribute provides alternative text that is displayed when the image cannot be loaded or for visually impaired users who rely on screen readers. It's crucial to include descriptive and meaningful alt text to ensure accessibility and improve SEO. But wait, there's more. The image tag supports several other attributes that allow us to fine-tune the display and behavior of the image. Let's explore some of the commonly used attributes: width and height. These attributes control the width and height of the image, respectively. You can specify them using pixels or percentages. Title. This attribute adds a tooltip or a brief description when the user hovers over the image. Class and ID. These attributes allow you to apply CSS styles or JavaScript behaviors to the image using classes or unique identifiers. Style. This attribute lets you apply inline CSS styles directly to the image tag. Loading, introduced in HTML5. This attribute specifies the image's loading behavior, helping optimize page performance. Great. Now that we have a solid understanding of the image tag and its attributes, let's talk about best practices and some additional tips. Firstly, it's essential to optimize your images for the web. This includes resizing and compressing them to reduce file size without compromising quality. Smaller image sizes lead to faster page load times, which greatly improves the user experience. Secondly, always use descriptive file names and alternative text. This not only helps with accessibility but also improves search engine optimization, SEO, by providing relevant information to search engines. Thirdly, consider responsive design. Make sure your images scale and adapt to different screen sizes, ensuring your website looks great on any device. Lastly, remember that images should enhance your content, not overpower it. Use them strategically to convey information or evoke emotions, but avoid excessive or unnecessary visuals that may slow down your website. That wraps up our comprehensive guide to the image tag in HTML. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more web development tutorials. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching and happy coding.